Alrighty everybody, I just got this, my new insect screen. Whenever you're buying insect screens, you're going to find that it's could be a little bit hit and miss with the product that you get. Sometimes it's really good, sometimes it's not very good. And the certain products that I've found have been just fabulous, and some that have been not so good. So Amazon has several different products available, and I'm just trying this particular one out just to see how good it is. It seemed like the price is right. I think it's 8 feet wide by I think about 20-30 feet long, and I may be disappointed. It's supposed to be a mesh. Let's see what we got. This is called garden netting. But let's see if it actually is netting or not. Well, it might be. Well, it looks like it's inside of a package inside of a package. So this one's called garden mesh netting. So this is what keeps you, let's say, happy when it comes to vegetable gardening, because it keeps all the pests off your plants. So you can grow your spinach without having any leaf miners, that sort of thing. No aphids on your cabbages or your any of those cabbage families that get a lot of aphids, especially the Brussels sprouts. So if you can keep them covered, then you're good to go and you don't have any issues. But we got to see what this looks like. I got to have a lot of air circulation, so I need to have air flowing through this stuff, but yet it has to be fine enough. Well, maybe it is a little better than what I thought. Let's just have a look. Okay. So it's supposed to be 8 feet long or 8 feet wide, but it's not looking quite like it's 8 feet. Let's see. Oh, maybe. Let's see if we can spread this out. Very, very nice, super light product. It looks like it's going to fray from the edges a little bit. You can see here, it's kind of a little bit frayed. But yeah, it looks like it might be passable. This is quite, I don't know if you can see that, but it's quite a fine mesh, that's for sure. Nothing is going to get through that. But the one thing I want to go through it is water. I always like it if you can actually water right through this stuff. So you can see it's quite sheer. You can see right through it, and it's looking pretty good. I think it's a large enough piece. And what I'll do with this, I'll cut into smaller pieces and then put it on a little frame over top of my raised garden beds, and that'll do the job for sure. So yeah, it looks pretty good. So yeah, seems all right. So I'm gonna go and get the scissors and start cutting this stuff up and get it on my veggie beds. You want to get this any kind of mesh on as early as you can every spring. The value of this piece, again, I'm just gonna double check the measurements on that. If it says, it doesn't actually say on here, but I think it was 8 by 30 feet. Yeah, I think it was 8 by 30, which is pretty big. That's a pretty big chunk, and it was about $30. So I thought that was a pretty reasonable price for insect screen or mesh. So I'm gonna actually use this product a bit. I might do a few more videos with it. I have another product that I've used that I actually like it better. Like, it's a little bit stronger and it's completely UV resistant, so that means it won't break down in the sun. So this, the only way you'll know that is by trying it, testing it for a couple years, and you know how easy it is to work with. Whether this product actually starts to come apart or not, that's another question. But being that it's $30 for that, landed at my house, that's a pretty good deal, I would say. So I think I'm happy so far, but till I actually get out there and start using it, then I'll know, and I'll be able to report back. And I might try some other products as well that they have, just to see what the results are, whether it's better or not. But the one product that I have, I know I can just water with my hose straight through it, and it doesn't splash or anything. It just goes straight through the mesh. So I really like that. That's a real bonus for sure. Anyway, thanks very much. I really do appreciate tuning in. Have a great day.